What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can communicate with your barber. First thing I would like to teach you is the difference between a haircut and a touch-up or even a lineup. When you walk into the barbershop and you ask for a lineup, a barber automatically is going to think that the bottom of your sideburn and then the back. That's a lineup, right? It does not have to do anything with cutting or trimming your hair. When you walk into the barbershop and then you ask for just a touch-up, so a barber is gonna wonder what a touch-up is to you, right? So one thing to you, a touch-up would be, a little bit off the sides, a little bit off the back, a little bit off the top. That's already considered a haircut, because when the hair is being trimmed, it's part of a haircut, right? So a touch-up could be a whole complete haircut, including a lineup. When you ask a barber for a haircut, that'll mean trimmed all around. It can also just be trim on the sides, trim on the back, keep the top, including a lineup. You gotta let the barber know and be very specific, because a barber focuses on that and wants to give you the best experience that he can possibly give. Very common misconception, the taper and the fade. What's the difference between them? I'm about to tell you. A low taper. So a low taper would be a low taper that will not go above your arc area. A high taper would be a high taper that'll get rid of your arc area. Burst taper. So a burst taper would be in the mix of a low and a mid taper. So now fades. A low fade would be a fade that would come down with the dip on the back of your head. Medium fade. So a medium fade would be from your arc straight across, or you can also have the option of being straight across with a dip. That'll be you letting the barber know that you would like a medium fade with the dip. A high fade, we all know what a high fade looks like. Shadow fade. So a shadow fade would be short hair, not all the way bald or not all the way down to the zero, because you need some length in order for the barber to outline your hair, give it that shadow look on your hair. Last misconception, the top of your hair. So the top of your hair is going to determine the hairstyle that you desire. You can't walk into the barbershop and ask, let me get 2 inches off the top if you're looking for a pompadour, whatever the case may be, but your hair is only 2 inches. You're not gonna get a pompadour with that length, right? So you gotta show a picture to the barber, or you gotta give him an idea of what hairstyle you're looking for. So don't just go right off the back and say, let me get 2 inches off, let me get 1 inch off, just because you haven't had a haircut in a while, right? You gotta make sure that you let the barber know and be very specific on the image that you're looking for or going for. Don't just shout out lengths. Show the barber a picture that'll give them a better perspective on what you're looking for. So now you guys know how to communicate with your barber better on both ends and get the best haircut that you can possibly get on your first time with a brand new barber. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure to tap in Dr. Fade Official on IG. Make sure to drop a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.